Previously in part 4.
We will focus on editing to the music.
Then you find like a specific beat into the song that you can just go.
What is up, YouTube? In part 5 on how to create any videos, we will focus on sound design. So that's when you take a video from this to this.
Hey, it's Marc-Albert. How are you doing today? Woo! Wait, if you need to make content about photography, filmmaking, and much more, my hope is by each video that you are inspired to create. So please stick around and find out. You never know, you might learn something. Let's go!
You're probably wondering why we need sound design when, well, the music and the video combined work just fine. Well, it's because it's still considered a footage without personality. So it is up to you to give it some personality through the use of sound design. For this video, we will use the clip we created from part 4 as an example. We will critique it, then, well, we will fix it and make it better. So there are 3 steps to make a video sound great. There's the score or the music, which will help you make the audience feel a certain way. Foley and ambience will help you hear everything you see. Nothing is truly silent. Unless it took place in space, there will be some room or nature noise. And at last, creative sound design, which is where you put your own spin by adding sounds you don't necessarily see to contribute to the story. Alright, so what to fix? There's no ambience whatsoever. So without the score or music, this footage would just sound completely empty. Silent sections. So once you start adding ambience, you start noticing there's a lot of dead spaces. No creativity. There isn't any other sound to contribute to the story other than the score or music. This footage gives me a good beachy vibe that's located on the side of a road. So let's add those beachy ambient sound. Okay, sounds good. Well, now we need to add sound to the character in the footage, which is the man that's running. Let's add running footsteps. Let's add breathing sounds. Let's add clothes flapping in the wind. All right, I think we are good, but not done. Let's add some waves and wave crashes sounds. Let's add some seagulls. Since initially it gave me a vibe that it was located by a road, so let's add some road ambience. Okay, not bad, sounds good, right? I mean, all the pieces are there, but the levels are all over the place. So let's mix the audio. We need to make sure the levels are correct in order to make the whole clip
sounds great. Using your audio meter, here's a rough guide on what the levels of the sounds should be. Make sure nothing goes above 0 dB because it will make it sound like it is completely destroyed. Dialogues and voiceovers usually falls around -10 decibels. It's usually the loudest sound in the video. Sound effects are usually around -10 to -30 decibels depending on what they are. And the music or score would be around -20 to -30 decibels. Now, let's hear it all together. Hope you learned something in this video today. Well, now, go sound design something. And I will see you in the next one. Love y'all. Peace.